Alright guys, hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do ponytail. Alright, this is going to be like a medium kind of high, more like a medium bun, braided ponytail with synthetic hair. So right now what I'm doing is combing my hair, just trying to make sure they get all the kinks and the bumps out, and pretty much I blow dried my hair, and now I'm adding some jam. This is like the super hold Let's Jam. So this Let's Jam is not hard at all. It's supposed to be conditioning. So that's why I'm adding it. And it's pretty much, yeah, it's not hard. It's not like Echo Gel or anything like that. It's really, really conditioning. And it's not good if you did blow dry your hair because it will revert your hair back to a little bit of wave. So just be mindful of that. It's not going to leave it like super slick. So I wasn't bothered by having a little textured look because the hair is synthetic, so the hair is already going to look textured. All right, so now I'm just putting it in a bun, gathering up. I can't believe my hair grew so long. Oh my gosh. Like, it's been about what, 4 years now that I've been growing my hair. Maybe not even four, maybe like 3 years, and it really grew. All right, so I'm just adding some of the jam to the actual ponytail, which I didn't really blow dry the ponytail that super straight because I didn't want to add too much heat on my hair. But all right, so right now here I'm gathering the hair. Okay. As I prefaced before, this is my first time doing this. I'm taking a rubber band, wrapping it around the hair. Um and yeah. So I'm also taking the black strips, the paper strips, and I'm wrapping it around my hair so that way it doesn't like affect anything. Is that way it could lay down a little bit more too while I'm putting the braid. All right, so now I'm just wrapping it up and I'm trying to separate it in three so I can do a single braid. I also took out a piece of hair and I'm holding it in my mouth so that it won't interfere with the braid that I'm going to wrap around the bun pretty much. All right, so as you can see, I am braiding away and it's like super tangled. Okay, guys, like super tangled. This was already pre-stretched braiding hair that I had left over. So I was like, all right, let me just, do a new style. Let's just try something different. Yeah, I won't be doing this again by myself. Again, this is my first time, so it was a little challenging adding the hair towards the end and making sure you got the right consistency with the braid, so it's not like one part is extra chunky and the bottom half is extra skinny. So right here, it was like my third attempt, and it was okay. A little bit of my hair, since it wasn't completely straight, is a little bit poofing out, but I ended up not wearing this too long, maybe like 3 days, and I wrapped it in like a bun too. But right now I'm just braiding it and just trying to make sure everything is nice and neat. So far, so good. Again, this is my first time, so I guess if I did this again, I would know a little bit more. And this was like 40 inches of hair, the pack hair. All right, so again, this was synthetic hair, and I like it. It was an ombre, so it added a little extra color. It was pretty cute. And this is the final result. Sorry about the shot. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that my head wasn't shown. But the only thing I would say, I would probably get another piece of hair and wrap it around that's black around where you put your elastic bands to cover it. But other than that, I was feeling it, except for my baby hair. I don't know what the heck. I didn't have my glasses on, so apparently I couldn't see much. And I didn't cut the ends, but I just was just trying it out and wanted to see if I could do it, and I did it. All right, but next time I will, yes, work it out a little bit more. But thanks again for watching my channel and watching the video. Hope you liked it. Hope this was a help, starter for beginners. Later.